how to set up your website. So which means that if you want to, when you start to build a website in HubSpot, so I'm going to show you what are the settings. So the first thing is we go to marketing. You can see we have website, and then we have landing pages, we have files, templates. So website, and then after that also we have blog and SEO. So website pages, this is the settings where you create your website pages here. And then so you create your pages there, and then the landing page is where you create your landing page. Come again here, website is where you create your blog. Create your blog here. And then we have SEO is here where you check your SEO performance. And then we have files and templates. So there is where you create your database. But this one is a different database. So later, for instance, you want to create kind of like a price listing, any basic database there. Here where you can create your files, and then where this place design tools is where you create your templates. So you're gonna create your templates there. Okay, so some other settings still here. Marketing, you can again there, website pages. Click there, content staging. So here you click content staging. Here is where you can see where you can create your staging pages. So it's gonna be like stage proofed is where you create your staging pages here. Then so now we have some other settings. You go there to settings. Here we have website. There you can see website, domain URL, navigation, themes. Here is where you set up your themes. So you set up the themes there. So you're gonna just click view themes where you're gonna set up your theme after you've been created your theme. So here we have a blog settings where you set up your blog. This is where you're gonna set up your blog, the template, subscription, date format, comment, social, and Google Maps, Google AMP for mobile. And then we have pages is where you set up your some template structure that you can set up here. Some jQuery if you want to use jQuery version. We'll set up your branding, where you personalize, do personalizations. And then after that, here we have some things like Google, how to set up your Google Analytics and tag, and then how to set up your SEO crawlers. And then here where you set up your system pages, 404 pages, 500 pages, 500 error pages, things like the search result pages and so forth. What else again? Yeah, so this is where you set up your so those are the places that you set up most of your stuff there. We have navigation. Here is where you set up the menu. You can create your menu there. You can see more where you clone, create, rename a menu. You can clone the menu. So here where we do menu setup. If you want to create a new menu, you click add new menu. And then after that, we have another place. Let's go domain URL. So domain URL is where you set up your domain. If you want to connect your domain into HubSpot. So here where you set up your domain, and if you want to redirect, you redirect here. And then if you want to set up your language settings is where you set up your language settings here. Okay, language settings. So here where do you have your sitemap. So this is where you set up the sitemap from here. And then here is just, we already have custom, if you want to edit custom SSL, but we already have a default SSL, but if you want to edit custom SSL, this is where you can edit custom SSL. Yeah, so basically that's it. So those are the place where if you want to build your yeah. So that is the way to. Then the last thing is just we have the design tools here where you build your templates, set up your templates there, file, new folder, new theme. This is the way that you set up like this here. And then we have files here where you upload your files, create folder, upload files. And then we have HubDB here where you create your database, a small kind of database, like a member list or team list. So these ways to create the database. Okay, great. Thank you so much.